So if I can just tilt my phone and let you see them. So there you go. Both of them being replaced, as the outriggers, which they always get squashed. Always get squashed on Capris. We've made ours out of 1 mil. I just think I'm sick of replacing them, so that's why. I don't want them to. Other people will say, well, they might fold up and dent the floor. They may well, but I don't care. That is how it is. So this has had wings. It's had that's the front panel that we made from scratch. So you can see that front panel was made here with very simple tools, very simple tools. The radius on the bottom was folded over a piece of tube. The sways, creases, whichever you want to call them, were all done on a folder. It was done in 2 halves, only because my folder was that wide. And things like this were done in a planishing hammer. This fella here hanging on the wall. So basically, that's it. That's. There's not really much more I can show you or tell you. We do have things like shrinker stretchers, standard and deep throat. You can shrink without them, but they're so cheap now. If 150 quid gets you the standard ones, I would just say get some. Get some, sell them when you're finished. You'll get your money back out of them, not a problem. So that would be my advice with that. I do have English wheel. I do have slip rollers, but you don't need them to do everything that I'm showing you. So they're in another room and not a lot of point. You know that you're going to be either MIGging, TIGging. You're probably not going to be hawking. It's a bit heavy for what we're doing. But again, thanks for listening. This was just a one to show you what I've done. Let you see if you think I wouldn't mind being able to do that. And put some likes, hit the follow button, that type of thing. So, laters kids, and maybe I'll make some more. Take care. Bye now.